5:37 AM na. And makain na si Chanel. Yung tira kagabi. So, good morning. Hanoi na ba to? Hindi ko alam kung part na to ng Hanoi. So, mukhang 6:06 tayo makakarating ng Hanoi Station. May kumakatok na kuya kanina. 20 minutes daw. Dating natin, ang arrival natin. So, nag-aayos na kami to leave the Chapa Express train. Nakatulog naman. Nakatulog ka ba? Ayan. Paano nakatulog? Sabi kanina 20 minutes na lang, naging 30. Nakastop pa kami ngayon. Nagnenegosyo pa sila. Nagtitinda ng kape, chocolate, hot choco, tsaka tea. So, bumili tayo. Ito. Hot choco.
Choco Milo.
Milo ba to? Ayan, 25,000 dong. How much is that? Hindi pa rin ako sanay sa conversion dito. Ang lapit. 55 pesos. Ang mahal, di ba? Pinagkakitaan lang tayo. Magkano ba ang Milo? Tapos kalahating baso lang. Dagdagan mo ng tubig para dumami. Medyo mainit naman siya. Sige nga, dagdagan natin tubig. Kulang ng 1,000 dong yung binayad ni Chanel. 2 piso. Lugi sila ng 2 piso.
Arrived at Hanoi Station. Coming to the station for this journey.
Ayan, nasa Grab na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa hotel. Ito na yung lake. One Kim Lake. Diba? May mga nagja-jogging. Bike. Exercise na. Masaya. Maaga pa kasi. Maaraw na. So yung hotel natin malapit lang dito sa lake. Pagliko. Wow. Alright. So nag-early check-in tayo. 500,000 Vietnamese dong. Around 1,000 pesos. Ano pa lang kasi maaga pa, 7:20 pa lang. Walang binigay na card no? Baka douche. Nasa susi naman. Yung susi kasi. Kaya ako na. Ayan. Mas high-tech pa dun sa bundok, promise. But, sige. I-room tour na natin. So, here's the bed. Single bed. Ayan. Twin. Then, merong cabinet doon. Tapos, mirror. Ayan, mukha namang sagana sila sa mirror this time. Bukas yung bintana. Bakit?
Ay, nakita tayo.
Ano yung view dito? May hagdan, paakyat. And then, nasa 5th floor tayo. Boosh. Ang taas. Kita mo yung reception dun sa baba. Yun lang, maliit lang yung room. Pero mukha namang maluwag. Tapos, tingnan natin yung CR. Ooh. Ayan. Sarado na yung pintuan. Kasi sa Sapa, walang pintuan yung pinaka-shower. Kaya, ang basa na yung floor after maligo. Floor sa labas. And then, amenities. Ayun, Lakeside Palace Hotel. So, malapit lang to dun sa, sa lake. Kasi lakeside nga eh. Duh. Alright, ito ay shampoo and bath gel. So, kakulay din nung nandun sa Sapa. Ayaw nila mamigay ng conditioner talaga.
Ito,
And then, may hair dryer. Ito yung itsura nung cabinet. May konting 3 hanger. Ano to nasa baba?
maluwag yung sa Sapa.
Ano to? Ay, mukhang meron siyang... What is this? Pang ano ba to? Emergency. I don't know. May nakaiwan pa ng plastic dyan. Hindi mawawala ang tsaa at coffee. Yay! Meron ulit tayong kape at tsaa at tubig. Yung tubig nila may pangalan ng hotel. Magla-lunch na tayo after freshening up a bit. So, pupunta lang tayo dun sa medyo malapit dito. 2 minutes away, may nakita tayong Vietnamese restaurant. Ito na. Kita ko na yung kakainan natin. Met. Thank you. Umorder na tayo ng bansyo, Vietnamese pancake special. Ito yung wrap. And then siya sweet and sour pork. Nag-Chinese food sa Vietnam. Let's eat! Yan, so sarap nung kinain natin. Naubos, sakto lang. Sakto lang yung dami. Naubos namin. Now, hanap tayo ng coffee place. Nakita kami 1 minute away lang. Ito na yata yung center ng Old Quarter. And then, pag nakita nyo yung Silk Like, ito yung Cafe Foco nasa loob. So, pasok. Tatawid tayo. Dito tayo sa tawiran. Baka mahagip tayo ng ano. Ito na. Cafe Poco inside. Nakatago siya. Hindi ba? Nasa loob. Nasa loob ng clothing garment store. Ano ba? Cafe Coco. Order tayo dito sa baba. And then aakyat tayo doon. Dadalhin siguro nila. One egg coffee hot.
Egg coffee hot?
Yes, and one iced egg coffee. Yep. That's all for now.
100 please.
Free.
Thank you. Yes. Take number please.
Thank you. After our Vietnamese lunch, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa ating Vietnamese coffee. Naka-Nutriboost na cup yung cold na egg coffee. Nutriboost. At tapos yung hot coffee, ito. Egg coffee pareho. Isang hot, isang cold. Diyan. Tapos may pa cold tea sila. Kasama. Creamy siya pero matapang. Hidden gem daw tong coffee shop na to. Hidden kasi di mo talaga mahahanap pag di mo alam na may coffee shop. Sa likod.
Coffee shop yung ano, katulad ng nakita mo agad pag
Ano yan. Mga marami dito sa Vietnam, lalo na sa Hanoi, mga nasa eskinita, papasok ka muna sa loob ng tindahan ng damit, tas nasa loob nun yung either restaurant na masarap, madaming tao, ganyan. As usual, nakita ko lang ulit to sa sa isang reel. Nagkalat, kaka-research. Madaming coffee shop dito. Hindi naman natin mapupuntahan lahat yon.
Hindi lahat ng cup.
Yung sinasabi kong isang, yung sikat, saan ba yun? Sa kabilang kanto.
Yan, cafe guwang ba yun?
Ayun, Cafe Guang. Giang. Cafe Giang.
Yang.
Siya yung nag-invento daw ng egg coffee. Yan, nagkalat na ngayon dito. Masarap din doon. Madami lang tao talaga. Tapos, maliit lang din yung cup. Ubusin lang namin to. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung babalik kami sa hotel or diretso na kaming mag-shopping ng sa tabi-tabi. Pinuntahan natin tong factory outlet, original daw. Though hindi ako marunong tumingin kung paano ang original nito. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng North Face, Hoka shoes, and meron din Arc'teryx. Mukhang okay yung mga quality dito. Okay ba yung quality? May nakita ka? Ito may mga on cloud din sila. Ito ba to? Parang hindi naman. Hindi. Hindi siya original. Off siya. Guys, off. Hindi siya on. Ito maganda yung mga North Face nilang puff jacket eh. Pero ang bulky pag iuwi. Dito lang siya sa tapat ng Harmonia Hotel. Kaya may nakita tayong Vietnamese coffee and tea na shop. Ang dami niyang mukhang masasarap na kape. Here. Oh. Bibili tayo ng coffee, egg coffee marami, macchiato coffee. Ito parang iba-ibang flavor. Ayoko lang nito. Sino may gusto, paki-mine. Yung Fox. Ano ba to? Tapos iba-ibang flavor. May matcha pa Ano lang, 150,000 Vietnamese dong. So around 300 pesos. What's the expiration here? October 1 or January 10?
Yes. It's that.
January or
Yes, 1
October?
year. Yes.
1 year. So
For
October.
next years.
October.
Yes.
Okay. Hindi ko alam kung January to or October. 250,000. Okay. Come on. Thank you. Come on. King's Coffee pala ang pangalan niya. Let's see. Ayan, King's Coffee. Kala ko ito lang. Ayan, dito tabi-tabi na yung mga souvenir shops. Balik na tayo sa hotel after our coffee and konting lakad-lakad sa bandang side ng lake. May mga nadaanan tayong mga souvenir shops. Ito yung mga nabili ko. Coffee. Ang cute kasi iba-ibang flavors. Tignan nyo. 2 of each. Sino may gusto ng Whistle Coffee, paki-mine na lang. Hindi kasi ako type yun eh. Ayan. Tapos, isa pa, yung parang type ko yung banana coffee. Ito, bumili ako ng isang box niya. And then, may nadaanan din kaming shop, yung Ginkgo, na nakakita kong t-shirt doon na, ito. Cute, di ba? Saigon traffic. Although, hindi kami pumuntang Saigon. Pero, small lang ako dito, in fairness. Nang bobola lang yata sila. Pero, ang ganda nung niya, yung print niya. Parang hindi siya, kakaiba siya, medyo naka-emboss. Tapos, namali yung computation sa brains ko. Medyo mahal lang dun kasi mukhang quality yung mga binibenta. Hindi yung normal t-shirt na pang souvenir. Nasa 750,000 Vietnamese dong. So, i-compute na lang kung magkano yun in peso. More than 1K. 1.6 yata. Akala ko less than 1,000. Kaya, ewan ko ba, hindi na gumagana yung utak ko. Okay, yun lang. It's now 2:54. Hintay natin ng 4:15 yung van na susundo sa atin. Magpapahinga lang muna. And freshen up. Later. Ayan, nasundo na tayo nung ating van. We're going to Mega Grand World, Hanoi. And bumaba kami exactly 4:15. Naghihintay na dun yung tour guide natin. Akala ko wala pa. So, ayan. So, may susunduin pa daw tayo, think, 2 na turista din. Before going straight dun sa ating destination. Parang bata pa yung tour guide natin. Parang nasa 20s pa lang eh. Yung driver tsaka yung tourist guide, si Oliver. Ang daming tao. Bakit ganun? Hindi naman linggo ngayon.
Bakit ka pareha siya nung...
Ayun, nababasa mo ba yung nasa Rebulto?
This is a Catholic church. Have you been here?
No, not yet. Ito si Kata Tourist Attraction.
So famous place.
Yes.
You check in and visit.
Yun o, yung True Coffee. Papunta dito ang kotse. May truck. Dito, napaatras. Tayo naman. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng mag-drive dito. Try ko kaya. Ang galing. Kanya-kanyang ano eh. Diskarte. Wala. Siguro pag nag-drive ako dito, stress na stress ako. Wala pang 1 oras. Maglalakad na lang ako.
There's a small snack for you before we start the tour. And after that, we will go to the middle of the Japanese style. You will see a lot of building in there, and architecture will be designed like a Japanese. And after that, we will go to see the Venice cities. That is the center of Mega Grand World. So from here right now, we go to the Mega Grand World. It will take us about 45 minutes. Also depend on traffic jam. Philippine tea. Out here we also have culture. Like when a visitor or guest came to our house, we usually make tea to invite them. So we can cheers.
Oh,
together.
cheers. Okay.
And cheers.
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 Oh.
Green tea.
Mm.
You like tea?
Yeah. Green tea.
So our snack we have prepared for you today is we will prepare for you two dishes. Phở roll and phở mix. Phở roll is we call it phở cuốn and phở mix is phở trộn. Another type of the phở soup. The phở soup you eat like it's a rice noodle with the soup. We have a beef phở and chicken phở. Do you remember it?
Yeah.
Yes, but this one is a different type of another version. We call it a summer version because in Hanoi summer is very hot, so we cannot eat the soup. It's make our body feel hot and tears. So we create for roll. For roll we use rice noodle. We roll it, and for mix we use with the soy sauce. Okay, so she's prepared. I will go with her to see.
Thank you.
Only easy one and Chinese.
Oh, same with the south of Vietnam.
Yes.
Like in Ho Chi Minh City. Have you been there before? In Ho Chi Minh?
Once, yeah.
In Ho Chi Minh also we have two seasons, rainy season and dry season.
Yeah, because we send the rain here. From the Philippines, it's going to Vietnam.
Because last month we have a typhoon.
Yeah, also from the Philippines.
It's funny, but yeah, you very lucky that you visit Assam.
Right.
Assam very some typhoon. All the streets,
Yeah.
like, even in the whole quarter of
Yeah.
the hotel. When I stand on the curb is to my knee like this.
Oh.
Yes. See. Okay, the food is ready. Please. That's you said you don't eat meat, right?
Me, I'm not eating beef.
No meat.
Yeah.
But you can eat chicken, right?
I can eat.
Yes. So this is a spring roll, no meat for you here.
Okay.
Spring roll, very fresh, right?
Lumpia sa atin.
Yes. And the dish inside your bowl here, that is a phở chop. Yes. Chop. Chop.
For
is
chicken.
dry.
What do you mean?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Yes. Chicken chop.
Okay. There is no soup. No soup
No,
for
we
this
don't use
one.
soup. This one we call that is a summer version.
Ah,
No soup.
summer version.
We use the sauce.
Because it's hot, the soup is
Yes,
hot,
it
so
is.
you don't.
You see, you have a sauce on the bottom, so you should
I
mix
see.
it up.
Okay, okay. Ayun sa ilalim.
Yes, that is a soybean sauce.
Okay.
This is.
And
Okay.
you eat phở roll, you dip into the fish sauce on your small bowl.
Okay.
Fish sauce is a serve of every Vietnamese food. Every food you eat will have the fish sauce.
It's called patis in Philippines. Patis.
Patis pala yan.
Opo. Dinner na to. Dinner na Opo.
What's the ingredient of every food we eat? We usually use a fresh vegetable, and we usually the way we cook, we boil, we steam, or we grill. We don't eat much fried.
Yeah.
Yes.
No fry.
That's good.
Less.
Very healthy.
The only thing we eat fried, that is fried chicken. Yes. Fried chicken, the one of my favorite fried chicken is Jollibee. Have a lot of Jollibee restaurants around here.
Really?
Yes. Jollibee is very famous in Hanoi. The Vietnamese cuisine is very diversity. Each place will have a different type of food and different flavor also. In the north, the food you eat, you usually have a taste salty and sweet. If you keep the balance. And if you're in the central, the food usually sour and spicy. And in the south, the food usually sweet and normal. Yes.
Sundan lang natin siya. Wala tayong alam dito. Ang laki-laki. Pero ang ganda dito. Ang daming ilaw. Ang konti ng tao. tayo. Pambata. K-Town.
Parang Japanese.
Saan tayo pupunta? Sa Korea or sa Japan? Tapos, banda dito, may Indian restaurant. Curry. Ano to? May rides, pambata. Para siyang teacup. Ayan, so nag-elevator kami paakyat nitong bridge. So, full of lights. Ang lawak nitong Mega Grand World. Hindi mo ito malilibot ng saglit lang.
Yes, it's easily busy.
Ito na yata yung Venice na sinasabi nila. Nilalakad natin ngayon yung kahabaan ng malinis na Mega World. And ito, sa nakikita namin sa harap, yung parang Venice na tinatawag. Yan.
Sinasa mo lang
Train
talaga.
pa. Ayan, ang SM train. Ang ganda. Ang saya kasi walang tao. And then,
Ano lang kami nagsa-Venice
dito yung ano, boat. Ano ba to? Dito yung show. Dito. Parang 8 o'clock yata mag-start. So, hindi sila nagtipid sa ano, no? Ilaw. So gusto nyong makasagap ng chismis, dito lang kayo tumambay sa Gossip Coffee. Mga chismosa nandyan. Marami ring mga palaruan dito like this Skydrop, and then ayan yung ticket booth. Tapos may mga parang siguro mga food stalls to kapag ano open. Kaso sarado lahat pag weekday. Konti lang yung bukas. So pag weekend daw nagpunta, mas ino-open nila. Siguro maraming mga families nagpupunta. Pag weekend daw po
Oo nga eh.
Guys, may sumakay dun sa drop. Akala ko sarado siya. Pero mukhang may sumakay. Sisigawan sila. Gusto ko makita Habulin ko ba? Katalikod kasi Goosh. Alam, mag-isa lang siya. Mga batang to. Isa lang pala siya. Or dalawa. Dalawa. Mukhang dalawang estudyante. Kain tayo sa Katinat. Sana walang Makati dyan. Pero, ay. gusto ko ng ice cream. May ice cream pa sila. Nainitan ako actually. Naiinitan ako. Gusto ko mag-ice cream. So while waiting for the show, nandito tayo sa Katinat. Katabi na siya ng river. Tapos wala silang tinidor for the pastry. Binigay sa akin kutsara. Perfect. Masarap tong banana bread with raisin nila. In fairness. Pero parang hindi ko bet tong large na drink na nabili kong bestseller. Hindi masyadong best. Ayan siya. Kokpok dakdak. Ambarella juice with arenga piñata. Ito siya. Yun. Ano yung ambarella? Alcoholic ba to? Hala. Hindi ko alam in order ko. Anyway. Andyan na yan. Let's just finish it. And then, punta na tayo na mag-aabang tayo ng maaga para maganda yung spot natin doon sa show. Ayun na naman yung train na walang sakay. The ghost train.
Ang weird.
Diba? So, punta na kayo dito guys para maraming
Para maraming tao.
para maraming turista guys.
That's all.
Okay. Hello, this is Oliver, Vincent, and Anna. Welcome to Vietnam.
beloved guests, the Grand Voyage has come to an end. We hope that you are inspired to explore and celebrate the different wonders of life, as well as contribute in creating a better life for everyone. Thank you for making the time to enjoy the Grand Voyage. Please continue your journey and explore the prosperous trading port of Mega Grand World.
Bale, katatapos lang ngayon nung ating Mega Grand World Hanoi tour. It's already 11 o'clock. Gabi na pala. Pagkarating sa hotel, naligo na agad. Tsaka, nag-ayos ng gamit. Ayun. Masaya naman. Mabait yung tour guide namin sa Oliver. And he's very good at speaking English. And, sorry, I'm so sleepy. Ba't ako nag-English? Para maintindihan niya. Baka mapanood niya kasi ko eh. Gusto ko lang i-share na maganda. Bago lang kasi yung attraction dun sa Mega Grand World Hanoi. So, I think kaya konti pa lang yung tao. Pero siguro in 5 to 10 years, mga turista, pwedeng mapuno yun eh. Kung super makilala siya. And I think in development, it's already there. Parang ready na for the tourist. And antok na ako. Ubusin ko lang to and then matutulog na ako. Yung palang kama namin dito sa Lakeside Palace Hotel, medyo matigas siya. Pero okay naman. Mas malambot pa yung kama doon sa train. Good night and thank you for watching. See you again for our next video.